Thailand is facing with recurring flooding and drought problems. Under the Science, Research and Innovation Strategy, the research program on water security, no floods, no drought in 10 provinces was developed by the Ministry of Higher Education, Science, Research and Innovation, with budget allocated by the Thailand Science Research and Innovation Fund, and administrated by the National Research Council of Thailand. Target of research program is set with successful implementation in 100 sub-districts with 120,000 households, and to increase economic value not less than 900 million baht within the year 2026. The research program on water security, no floods, no drought in 10 provinces aims to solve water problems in integrated approach, based on knowledge, technology, and human resources development, via establishing mechanisms and integrated networks to solve via stakeholders from both public and private sectors. In the fiscal year of 2025, the research program successfully achieved impacts in 286 sub-districts for 223,844 households, and generated economic value of 634.7 million baht. The implementations of the research program on water security, no floods, no drought in 10 provinces in the fiscal year of 2025 focused in 4 main areas. First, the implementation in the Mekong Basin aimed to make use future runoff predicted data about 7 to 10 days in advance. The predicted and use of runoff can reduce water release from the dam, increase water storage in the dam of more than 2,000 million cubic meter per year and increase more water availability for next dry season. The increased water storage in the dam thus secured more water transfer for water supply in Bangkok area, and can also be used to push saline water in Mekong River. This make better control of salt water intrusion in Samut Songkhram area to store water for orchard farms. By using data from salinity sensors at local farm and compared with salinity sensors of Royal Irrigation Department installed at main river, the saline water will be pushed and controlled, thus reduce damages from salinity in the orchard. This causes positive impacts to 200,000 households with approximate economic value of 25 million baht. Thus, the research program helps solving salt intrusion for orchards in Samut Songkhram province, covering areas of 149 sub-districts for 5,981 households with approximate economic value of 67.6 million baht. Second, the implementation in Ban Non Quao, Khon Kaen province, was a sample of collaborations among agriculture, irrigation and university sectors, which induced economical value via IoT and sensor system, and provided sufficient water supply to grow high value-added crops. The crop packaging center was also built to enable farmers to continuously deliver products to private sectors, under integrated provincial water plan jointly implemented with public and private sectors, and generated economic value of more than 393.4 million baht to 10,783 households in 19 beneficial sub-districts. Thirdly, in the irrigation projects at Kamphaeng Phet province, the automatic gate, water level sensors, and soil moisture sensors were installed, which made irrigation water sufficiently deliver to farmers. Moreover, better communication on timely water delivery with farmers also promoted saved water use and helped decrease water usage by 20%. Besides, the farmers changed parts of land to grow lime and other alternative crops instead of growing rice only, thus produced more value-added products such as lemon tea, lemon powder, and syrup to be sold to outside markets. The installation of automatic water gate in the irrigation project induced economic value more than 57.5 million baht, and reduced farmers' pumping cost by 900 baht per right to 1,200 households in 3 sub-districts, saved water and irrigation system by 15%, and induced additional incomes from alternative crop products. Fourth is the case of Bo Swak District Administrative in Nan Province. This area faced water scarcity in dry season, people had to leave home to find other jobs outside. The research program then promoted development soil cement cord weirs to increase water storage for dry season. The community made water balance analyze in each villages and helped solving water supply and irrigation water in more targeted villages. As the result, water supply became available for whole year. The increased water supply was also used to grow crops, fruits and herbs and increased farmers' revenue. This created water saving and income increase scheme, in the same time, made some farmers do not have to leave home to find jobs outside, and generated economic value of 32.5 million baht. From more agricultural products promotion, each household gained more income by 25,000 baht on average per year. The research program on water security, no floods, no drought in 10 provinces emphasized on 1. Human resources development, to be capable to plan and develop counter-proposals to solve water problem by themselves. 2. To create mechanism with planning tools using water data, And 3. To build collaborative networks among public, academia, and private sectors. The research program implementation impacted less floods and created drought prevention in the area. From warning and response system, and reserved more water storage induced more water security in the area. To use less water with more value added. The key success factors of the research program on water security, no floods, no drought in 10 provinces are: to make more understanding of appropriate water management with responses from water crisis, based on academic knowledge, and be able to set joint goals and KPIs among public, universities, and local water users. These made successful implementation of the research program on water security, no floods, no drought in 10 provinces.